Imagine pedaling your way through the city streets, not in a regular bicycle, but in a fully functional mobile home on 3 wheels. That's exactly what artist and designer Kevin Cyr envisioned when he created the Camper Tricycle, a one-of-a-kind pedal magnet tiny home that merges mobility and shelter in the most unconventional way. The Camper Tricycle is a remarkable fusion of art, innovation, and practicality. Built on a sturdy tricycle frame, this compact home on wheels is designed for those who want to take their living space wherever they go. Unlike traditional camper vans or even bike trailers, this creation doesn't rely on fuel, making it an eco-friendly solution for travelers, adventurers, and even urban dwellers looking for a minimalist lifestyle. Kevin Cyr is known for his thought-provoking projects that reimagine the way we interact with vehicles and mobile spaces. The Camper Tricycle is no exception. At first glance, it looks like a regular cargo tricycle with an oversized box attached to the back. But a closer look reveals an intricately designed living space, complete with a tiny bed, storage compartments, and even small windows for ventilation and natural light. It's a micro-home in every sense of the word, designed with efficiency and portability in mind. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Camper Tricycle is its self-sufficiency. Since it's human-powered, there's no need for gas or electricity, making it an incredibly sustainable option. The structure is lightweight yet durable, crafted from wood and metal to ensure stability while riding. Despite its small size, the interior is cleverly designed to maximize space, allowing for basic necessities to fit snugly inside. The craftsmanship is impressive, showcasing Kevin Cyr's keen eye for detail and functionality. The idea of a mobile tiny home isn't entirely new, but the Camper Tricycle takes it to a whole new level. Most mobile homes require roads and parking spaces, but this tricycle allows you to venture into places where cars and RVs simply can't go. It's perfect for navigating narrow streets, bike paths, and even urban alleyways. Whether you want to explore the city, travel long distances, or just have a cozy retreat on wheels, this unique contraption offers a new perspective on what it means to be mobile. Kevin Cyr's inspiration for the Camper Tricycle stems from his interest in mobility, self-reliance, and the nomadic lifestyle. His work often explores themes of urban living and transportation, and this project is a perfect representation of those ideas. The tricycle challenges the conventional notion of what a home should be and invites people to rethink their relationship with space and movement. Imagine cruising down the streets with your own personal home trailing behind you. No need to worry about rent or expensive hotel stays. Just pedal your way to a new destination whenever you feel like it. The Camper Tricycle embodies freedom in its purest form. It's not just a vehicle, it's a statement about self-sufficiency and the limitless possibilities of creative design. While the Camper Tricycle was originally created as an art project, it has sparked curiosity among those interested in sustainable living, minimalism, and alternative housing. It offers a glimpse into a future where portable, eco-friendly homes could become a reality. Some even imagine a world where similar designs could be mass-produced, providing affordable housing solutions for people in urban environments. Of course, the Camper Tricycle isn't without its challenges. Pedaling a structure of this size and weight requires strength and stamina, especially when going uphill or facing strong winds. Storage space is limited, meaning travelers must pack only the essentials. And while it provides shelter, it lacks modern conveniences like running water or electricity. But for those who value simplicity and adventure, these limitations are just part of the experience. The design itself is both practical and artistic. The exterior has a handmade charm that sets it apart from mass-produced mobile homes. Every detail, from the wooden panels to the metal framework, showcases Kevin Cyr's dedication to craftsmanship. It's not just about function, it's about creating something that tells a story. This is what makes the Camper Tricycle so special. It's more than just a mode of transport, it's a piece of art on wheels. Many people who see the Camper Tricycle for the first time have mixed reactions. Some find it amusing, others are fascinated by its ingenuity, and a few even express a desire to own one themselves. It challenges our perceptions of how we live and move through the world. Could this be the future of micro-living? Could cities one day be filled with pedal-pounded homes, reducing traffic congestion and lowering carbon footprints? These are the kinds of questions that the Camper Tricycle inspires. The concept of mobile living has gained popularity in recent years, with the rise of van life, tiny homes, and off-grid lifestyles. But the camper tricycle stands out because it strips everything down to the basics. No engines, no high-tech features, just pure human power and creativity. It appeals to those who seek adventure, independence, and a break from the traditional way of living. In a world where housing costs are skyrocketing and urban spaces are becoming more crowded, innovative solutions like the camper tricycle could offer new possibilities. It might not replace traditional homes, but it certainly sparks a conversation about alternative ways to live. Perhaps one day designs inspired by this tricycle will evolve into more practical, accessible options for people looking to break free from conventional housing. For now, Kevin Cyr's Camper Tricycle remains a fascinating glimpse into what's possible when creativity meets functionality. It's a reminder that homes don't have to be tied to one place. They can move with us, adapt to our needs, and redefine the way we experience the world. Whether you see it as a quirky art piece or a revolutionary idea, there's no denying that the camper tricycle is a symbol of freedom, innovation, and the endless potential of human imagination. So, the next time you think about travel, mobility, or even just downsizing your lifestyle, consider this. What if your home had wheels, but instead of an engine it was powered by you? Would you take the leap into a simpler, more adventurous way of living? That's the question the camper tricycle dares us to ask.